So there's 3 bedrooms up here, but they're all a little bit funky, like I said. You know, this one has this weird...
What is that?
I know. So there's a window here. It was like a porch, I think, before.
Who doesn't want to have a glass window in their bedroom to other than
But wait,
bedroom?
there's another window over here. I just lost my shoe.
Nice. I'm Glenn.
And I'm Amber. And we're entrepreneurs, real estate investors, and parents in upstate New York.
We've been flipping houses for over a decade. It totally changed our lives and put us on the path of building the life that we choose.
So come along with us as we share a peek into our life and our business.
All right, today on Glenn and Amber's Home Flipping Adventure, we have a unique situation that we have stumbled onto. We have a house that we purchased a couple months ago. We had to make, so one of our team members who's no longer employed by us came out and looked at this house and made a purchase on the house, but didn't really do a thorough investigation. I don't think she even walked in the basement. And 2 of the walls were actually bowed and need to be replaced. So we had to redo 2 foundation walls from scratch, about $10,000 in extra cost. We weren't prepared for that.
Yep.
So now we got to try and find that budget in here. But besides that, now we have a design problem. The house has been gutted, so our crew came in here and gutted the house. Now we have to come in, and Amber has to do her magic and design the house. We got to try and make up for that $10,000 loss, though.
Lucky me.
That we had in the beginning. We got to try and figure out, because the design's kind of funky here, right?
It is a little funky.
So we got to go inside the house. So we have to sort of walk in the house. We got to sort of climb in the back of the house. The front door is bolted shut, and we have some interesting ways to get in houses, don't we? All right. This must be the original wall here.
Yep, got some busted windows.
All right. Yeah, we got some stuff. So here's all the new foundation wall out here.
We need to get this pitched right too. This is going to cause another problem. So we had a lot of rain, and that made that really settle in. So we have to get more dirt in here, because if the water just pitches right, you know, if it rains again, the water's just going to go right back there, and then we're going to have another foundation problem.
All right. So our problem here is really how to figure out, I guess, number 1, how to get in, and number 2. Here's my glasses.
Come on, old man.
Oh! Ouch! She hit me in the back when I'm going up, woman. Get up here. All right. Let's check her out.
So Neil and I have been over here and went through like 5 or 6 different scenarios to make this design work, because it is really funky the way it is. You know, we talked about making that back porch either a closet for the master bedroom and turning this into a master bedroom, and then making the room opposite the kitchen.
That's a whole new problem with
it is, because the city would make us put a whole foundation in. We'd have to insulate it and put you know, yes, that's a whole other set of problems.
Okay.
And now that we have the foundation problem, I have a smaller budget to do with, so I can't do something like that. Even though it would add square footage to the house, it would just blow our budget. So, you know, I've gone back and forth with turning the room next to us into maybe the kitchen, because there's sliding glass doors that come in from there, and turning this into a bedroom. And that way I could open that whole wall up into the living room.
Okay.
Because you know how the open concept is really in, and people love that.
Yeah.
And right here there was a bathroom. I was trying to keep the plumbing in the same place, and you know, I'm trying to weigh out the budget and the design and everything. So
what's your
this
proposal?
one has had me scratching my head.
What are you thinking?
Being that the basement door is here, I don't want to have to walk through a bedroom to get to the basement. So, and then, you know, we have to have all new plumbing anyway, because this is cast iron and it's so old and it's probably corroded on the inside. We've got knob and tube wiring.
Yep.
So there's a lot of big budget busters here. So I really have to be conservative with my design. So I've decided to keep this the kitchen.
Okay.
And right over here is probably where we'll primarily put our cabinets.
Okay.
We're gonna take out that bathroom.
Okay.
That has got to get 86'd.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna cut this wall in half and do a bar top here, so that you can overlook into the dining room.
Pendant lights?
Pop a couple of pendant lights in there.
Okay.
Probably make this opening a little bit wider, just so it feels a little grander and more open feeling. So when we go upstairs, you'll see that none of the bedrooms are very good masters. They're all have their own little funkiness to them. Okay. So it is important for me to have a first floor master. So I've decided to go ahead.
You got to find a place for the bathroom then, right?
Right. Because if we were to put the bathroom in here, that would make this really small, and I can't do that. So we're going to get rid of the glass doors and just put a window in there. And we already had to do siding on the outside anyway.
How about
Yeah, that's got to
Sheetrock,
go.
whatever it's called.
The knotty pine,
Knotty
all
pine.
of that has to go. We'll just sheetrock over it.
We've already gutted it anyways. What's the difference?
Yeah, no big deal. I'm probably gonna move the doorway over just a little bit so that I can put 2 nice big closets right here.
Okay.
That's the perfect spot for them. So they'll walk in, they'll have this whole area for their master bedroom.
So bathroom.
Bathroom. So being that this is a good sized kitchen and we have a dining room, so we don't need an eating area, I'm gonna steal a little bit of room out of this kitchen. So I'm gonna put a door around this area, and we have a window here, which is great.
Okay.
So we'll do a small vanity, a toilet, and then the shower right here.
Okay.
And then this will be a solid wall into the kitchen.
So we're not going from the kitchen into the bathroom.
No.
We're keeping it out there.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
I don't think you should poop where you eat.
That's a good point. It's better to not do that if you can avoid it.
So no, I don't like bathroom entrances off of kitchen. That's a real pet peeve of mine.
Okay.
But doing that, we lose our guest bath, because you don't want to send a guest through your master bedroom to go to the bathroom.
So what are you thinking out here?
And we do have a bathroom upstairs, but what I'm thinking is that we make this closet a little bigger and we just do a small little half bath right here near the stairs.
So we've got basement right here. So
Right. So
whenever
plumbing shouldn't be too big of a
whenever you're
problem.
putting a half bath, if you have a basement in your house, it's really good to be able to. If a basement makes plumbing a lot easier and accessible to put a drain for your toilet and to put feed lines for your sink and for your toilet and your drains, all that stuff makes it's easier. If you're on a slab, you can do it, but it's a lot more expensive on a slab where this would be,
Yeah.
we have a full basement to work with.
Right.
I think the sewer drains right over there so we can hook it up pretty quick.
And the front porch, you know, all those windows have to go. This is really old
Sure.
school looking, so I'm gonna open all that up so it's an
Okay.
open front porch, and it's really gonna help the curb appeal of the house.
Let's show me upstairs real quick because I want to see
Yeah.
that.
So there's 3 bedrooms up here, but they're all a little bit funky, like I said. You know, this one has this weird.
What is that?
I know. So there's a window here. It was like a porch, I think, before.
Who doesn't want to have a glass window in their bedroom to other than
But
the
wait,
bedroom?
there's another window over here. Ah, I just lost my shoe.
Nice.
So there's a window over here that looks into the other bedroom.
How funky is that?
It's really weird. So this is the other bedroom. Again, we're gonna close that window off. We still have one window, so we have light there. We got rid of the chimney, so we actually gained a couple extra square feet in there.
Okay.
This bedroom, you know, we've got a really pitched ceiling here.
Okay.
So you see what I mean? None of these rooms are great masters. That's why I wanted to put the master downstairs. And first floor masters are always great.
So it'll be a 4-bedroom. It'll be a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Where's in the bathroom?
The other bathroom's right here,
Oh,
and it'll stay the same floor plan as it was.
again,
Toilet
be very
seat.
careful when you're walking around because.
Yes.
All right.
This will stay the same floor plan, toilet, sink, shower. But this room back here is just kind of like wasted space. So this is where the laundry room's gonna go, rather than
How
the
will you
basement.
access it from there?
Yeah,
I guess we already have plumbing here.
right. It's not a big budget thing at all.
So here's a question, devil's advocate. How about having a first floor master with the laundry upstairs? Are the rest of the
But
kids
3 bedrooms
here?
are up here. There's more bedrooms up here than, so either way, you have to go upstairs. You either go down to the basement or you come
Can
upstairs.
we do a reverse laundry chute? Just have it shoot up instead of go down?
Just do one of those bank teller elevator or things.
Sucks it through.
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
So
So this is the house. So okay, so our problem was today that we had to figure out how to design the kitchen. Right?
Yeah, it was
So
bad.
That design the kitchen will work, and it makes it by putting the bath in there. Now it's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath.
right.
Jumping the value up a little bit more.
Right.
We should be closer to the 200,000 range. We might be able to go over 200,000 here. With that, it'll look nice when we're all done.
It's gonna look great when it's done.
Be all brand spanking new. Hopefully, we can make up for the extra foundation we had to do and get out of this thing and make some money.
Yep.
Right. So
Yep.
it'll look beautiful when we're done. It'll be great. We can see it. So hey, another problem fixed, right? All right.